In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to ClickUp and set up a simple workflow between the two platforms. To get started, open ClickUp in Google Chrome and head into the App Settings area. Once you're there, look for the Integrations option and click it. This section is where ClickUp allows you to connect with other tools you already use, helping you keep your work organized across platforms instead of managing everything manually in separate places. Inside the integrations area, you'll see a list of available connection options. From that array of software products, select HubSpot. This is the integration we'll use to link your sales activity with your project and task management process. Connecting these tools can make it much easier to keep teams aligned, especially when sales progress needs to trigger action inside your workspace. After selecting HubSpot, you'll be taken to a secure confirmation screen. Here, sign in using your normal operational login credentials for the account you want to connect. Make sure you're using the correct account and workspace before approving access, since this determines which data and actions will be available through the integration. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, you may need to allow them temporarily so the authentication window can load correctly. Once the connection is authorized, the next step is to map your workflow objectives. This means deciding what should happen in ClickUp when specific events take place in HubSpot. For example, you might want automated task creation whenever a deal reaches the closed won stage. This is an important part of the setup because it turns the integration from a simple connection into something genuinely useful for your day-to-day operations. Be clear about which triggers matter most and what kind of action should follow, so your teams receive the right tasks at the right moment. When your workflow mapping is complete, save your changes. This final step activates the setup and allows your project development flows to stay synchronized alongside your core client timelines. In practical terms, that means updates in your sales pipeline can now support project execution more smoothly without relying on constant manual follow-up. That's it. Once everything is saved, your ClickUp and HubSpot connection should be ready to support a more streamlined process from client progress to task delivery.